Hi, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram. You can't send messages for 3 days. So the very first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the Play Store here. And after that, in the Instagram, you have to search here Instagram, right? And after that, make sure that in the place of open, you should get the option of update. So update the app right now, okay? And after that, you have to just go to the setting if your problem is not fixed. So guys, in the setting we have to just scroll a little bit down, then we have to just go to the apps, and here we have to just go to the app management, right? And we have to just wait for a few seconds here. Then guys, we have to just search the Instagram here and just search the Instagram, and after that just go to the storage usage, then clear the cache, and just recheck your app whether it is fixed or not. After that you can just clear the data, right? And clear the data will definitely fix the problem. This will unload all the unnecessary files. So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.